Hello traders, I hope guys you are having a good day today, and I just finished my London morning session with amazing trades guys. Most of my traders bank amazing profit. Again, another blessing day. Let me share with you guys how I analyze market this morning and help my traders to squeeze amazing profit. As always, if you want to see all that analysis in real time instead of review, feel free to join my fast growing trader community. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did today this morning. As always, if you don't want to miss my upcoming latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair: Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. If you look at the Euro USD, and if you look at the 4-hour chart, we had a yesterday amazing long and short here. As explained to my trader yesterday analysis review, that if the price is going to develop a double bottom, then possibility of reversal. So as you can see here at the Asian session, that's once the price develop, you can see a bearish bullish engulfing candle pattern. Explain my trader taking a long trade here and pullbacks in intraday. Let me share with you how I analyze the market in intraday. And if you look at here, based on the Asian session analysis, based on the 4-hour charts, as you can see here, this was the analysis. That's what I explained to my trader. Look for this, because we have this price developer double bottom here, expecting this breakout, which price nicely broken, and after that pullback. We announced all these pullback, and at this morning, just before my update, my analysis, explain my trader it's time to bank some profit. Once we banking some profit, I also updated, look for another pullback. As you can see here, I updated that analysis, pretty straightforward, and we have another beautiful long trade here, bank some profit. As soon as the price hit to the previous high, we bank amazing few pp's and look for another pattern. As you can see here, price reverse, and I say guys, patient. So let's see if the price is going to break this pattern, and price nicely broken, hit again profit target, beautiful long trade on Euro USD. So we're trying to squeeze as many as pips just before the FOMC meeting. We have 1:30 London time, that's the retail and core retail sales. So just before that, we had amazing trade here. So pound dollar, again we had amazing good trade today. And if you look at here, yesterday we have taken all these pullbacks. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis review, video link is given in the video description. So if you look at the 4-hour chart, we have this rejection. So we had a beautiful long trade here, counter long trade here since Asian session. We have taken all long trade here. The first target today nicely hit. Still we can see here very strong bullish reversal. Let's see in the intraday analysis how I analyze the market. That was a beautiful trade here. So if you look at here, this is the analysis I did. As you can see here, price impulsively move on 4-hour and reverse. As you can see in an intraday, that's what I explained my trader. If the price gonna break this level, then we keep taking a pullback long here, or if the price gonna break this level, then we expecting a short trade here. That's what I did analysis at the Asian session. Price nicely broken, momentum bullish, beautiful, another pullback, amazing trade. So at the morning we bank some profit, and after banking some profit, momentum is developed bullish. We have a rejection in 4-hour. So as you can see here, I explained to my trader, look for this breakout. So you can see here, price nicely broken the previous high, and beautiful long trade here, another pullback. Price nicely hit to this level, banking some profit. After banking some profit, I have price develop another pattern. As you can see here, most of the trader was expecting possibility of short. I say guys, we're going to trade what we see here. Look at the bottom, momentum is bullish, so we were expecting this breakout, these two levels. You can see here, price nicely broken. That's give us the sign. And I say guys, stop loss just before this, because momentum is bullish. So as soon as the price, still some of the traders are holding it, but I say guys, I'm going for lunch break. So either you can consider tightening your stop loss, or you bank some profit. And some of the traders are still holding it, you can see here. And the target for us is around this level. That's the daily resistance level. Let's see here, and we'll let you know guys. So we bank amazing profit on pound dollar. Dollar CAD, we had a nice beautiful short trade here guys. And if you look at here, yesterday we had such a nice beautiful long trade here, bank some profit. And this blue line is a monthly resistance line, and this morning price respected here, and we had this taking a short trade here, target around this level. Let's see here. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries and exit. And we are long from yesterday, as you can see here. This was the trade from yesterday, bank beautiful pips, and afterwards price developed another bullish in a flag pattern, beautiful breakout long trade here yesterday. So this morning you can see here price develops sort of like rising wedge, and based on the 4-hour, price nicely respected this resistance. We have this beautiful breakout short trade here, and bank amazing profit. I just closed because if you look at here, the price respected previously, and some of the traders are still holding short trade here, but I say guys, it's time to enjoy some profit, and let's see how that's gonna go. All right guys, as you can see guys, how we analyze the market in 4-hour and how we analyze the market in intraday and banking some profit. As always mentioned, you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time. That's the interesting part of it. And if you're struggling in forex trading, this is the platform where I train and coach my trader live through live intraday analysis in real time with the live market. So if you are interested how I coach and train my trader, how I help them to get funded, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is given in the video description. Myself or one of my team member will show you how to become a successful trader and get funded. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.